Habitat is a natural place or environment where a plant or animal naturally lives and grows. It's an area that provides all the necessary requirements for the organism's life, such as food, shelter, and a place to reproduce. One such example is a river basin habitat. The degradation or erosion of a river basin leads to a decline in its quality and quantity, which can disrupt the biodiversity within it. One of the most apparent contributing factors to this is illegal gold mining. Illegal gold mining activities conducted in river basins have a clear and significant impact on the condition of the river's waters. This ranges from ecosystem damage, decreased river sediment, and increased risk of flooding, to threatening the availability of clean water for the communities that rely on the river.